Hello everybody, today we make a Sunday sauce. Okay, I want to make a nice big dish of pasta. And I want to make on the side brasciole, sausage, pork rib, and meatball. Now for the sauce I gotta make, I got over here, I gotta make a meatball, I got the beef and pork. I got a pecorino cheese, pork rib, Italian hot sausage. I got the beef run for the brasciole. I got a salt, black pepper. I need a little flour. I got a white wine, eggs, parsley, onion, garlic, a breadcrumb. And this, it's my special sauce I make every single year. Okay, we start with the brasciole. The beef run, I tenderize already. It can come the meat nice tender. This in Italy, it's the number one dish. When you put in a sauce, it gives so good taste. Okay, got some of the ingredients that give a really good taste for the sauce. In Orsara, when you make the big dish of pasta, the brasciole gotta be in a dish. And this, everything you gotta be used a little bit. Each one you roll, and you put the toothpick, a little flour, and you fry. Okay, now we start with the meatball. I got over here already the beef and the pork. And you gotta use garlic, parsley, salt, black pepper, pecorino cheese, eggs, and breadcrumb. The breadcrumb I put last, I want to see when you mix, I gotta mix by hand, you say how many breadcrumb I need. I got over here 1 cup, maybe I don't use all. Maybe I use half. I don't want to make too much breadcrumb. Okay, at the end you gotta roll the meatball, but make sure the roll like a boss. If you don't roll like a boss, the meatball is say, hey, better you roll good. Because if you don't roll good like a boss, I don't cook. The best thing to make the meatball, you gotta sing and dance. It's the same thing when I go outside for my garden, I gotta sing and dance and my garden grow good. It's the meatball, one the same thing. Se ti piglia lo cuore quando vai, quando viene, sempre parla di meatball tiene. Okay, now we start with the sauce. I got the pots over here. I put oil. I want to warm up the oil really good. And we got to start with the brasciole. Now, the brasciole, what I do, I flour. I want the brasciole come a nice color. Okay, I put flour. The oil is hot. And we start the brasciole. And I got over here the pork rib. I put this too. It's why I use the brasciole, it's the beef, and the pork can give a good taste for the sauce. Okay, now the meat is okay, it's good. Now I gotta put a little wine. Like this, I give the meat a good taste before I take it out. We leave it cook a little bit this with the wine. And after we gotta saute the garlic and the onion. When this now it's done, I gotta take it out. And I put it right over here on this dish over here. Okay, now I take the meat out. Now it's time I gotta put the garlic and the onion. And we give a nice turn for this. You gotta cook now the onion and the garlic together. And after we gotta put my homemade sauce. I'll put the garlic and the onion and all the fat for the brasciole and the pork rib. I was a keep over here, okay? This it give it a good taste. Now I got over here my homemade sauce and I put it right inside. All right, now all the meat go inside. And let's dump like this. Oh, look at this. Ooh. That's the good sauce. Look at the sauce over here. Now, we got the sausage, sausage. Okay. And now, we put the meatball, because the meatball, you gotta cook the same, because this it's raw. The sauce, it's already cooked. This one I make a sauce, it's cooked for 4 hours. But the only thing you gotta cook, it's the meat. Now the water boil, I put salt already, and we gotta cook 2 pounds of orecchiette. Okay, the pasta is ready. I was strained it good. Okay, now we pick it up the sauce. And this, it's the sauce, the good sauce. Let's put a little sauce over here. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. Okay. Now, I'll put a little pasta for me, the taste. Put a little extra sauce over here. I'm gonna put a little pecorino cheese. And now I want to take one rib, one meatball, and I take one sausage. The sausage you want to run away from me. Hey, what do you do? Not run away from me, sausage. All right. And we got everything over here. Now, we taste the pasta, the orecchiette. It's really good orecchiette. Now, I want to taste the meatball. And the sausage. It's a good taste, really good to make this sauce. It's really good. And the pork rib. Look how nice it's cooked. Really good. This is the best sauce that we was making Orsara. But this everybody can make over here. The way I did, maybe somebody make, and I want to somebody make the show to me, nice dish. Thank you very much, and we see next recipe. Thank you.
Pa, you know you forgot the brasciole, right? We forgot the...
But I forgot. The best one, my brasciole. Hey. It's the pasta with brasciole. I forgot my brasciole. All right, let's taste the brasciole. Look at that. The meat, it melts your mouth. Really good. Look.
We're gonna have a feast. Look how much.
Oh yeah.
Like this. Where's all the pasta?
Oh, I put it on that one.
Hey, look at it. Where's the pasta?
Over here. Woo!
And look at this. My pasta. Oh, tonight this pasta, a nice glass of wine. Oh, it's really good. Brasciole, pork rib, meatball, everything is really good. A sausage.